Welcome, Nutrition Navigators. Today, we're going to explore some amazing alternatives to sugar that will satisfy your sweet cravings without compromising your health. Get ready to discover 4 alternatives to sugar that will make your taste buds dance with delight. First up on our list is date paste. This natural sweetener is made by blending dates until they form a smooth, caramel-like consistency. Date paste is not only rich in natural sugars, but also packed with essential nutrients like potassium, fiber, and iron. Use it as a one-to-one replacement for sugar in your recipes to add a delicious, wholesome sweetness to your dishes. Next, let's talk about honey. Honey has been used as a sweetener for centuries, and it's no wonder why. This golden elixir is not only sweet but also offers antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It's great for boosting your immune system and soothing a sore throat. Just remember to choose raw, unprocessed honey to reap all the health benefits. Now, let's take a trip to the tropics with coconut sugar. Made from the sap of coconut palm flowers, coconut sugar has a delicious caramel flavor with a hint of coconut. It's low on the glycemic index, which means it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Plus, it's rich in minerals like potassium, iron, and zinc. Last but not least, let's explore the world of stevia. Stevia is a natural, calorie-free sweetener derived from the Stevia rhododendron plant. It's an excellent alternative for those watching their calorie intake or managing diabetes. Stevia comes in various forms like liquid, powder, or granules, making it easy to use in your favorite recipes. And there you have it, Nutrition Navigators, 4 fantastic alternatives to sugar. Date paste, honey, coconut sugar, and stevia are not only delicious, but also offer some health benefits. So why not give them a try? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy and sweeten your life the natural way. See you next time. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.